Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the language in OkCupid website. Now first of all, open your web browser and type in okcupid.com. Now first of all, sign in if you have an account or just log in.
So what is the need?
Put in your password and hit next. Now after you have logged in, scroll down in the OkCupid main page, and as you can see here, it says language and you can choose the language from here. So I'm gonna keep it Francais language and hit save. Now you can see your OkCupid page has been changed into Francais language. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.